What is the meaning of the word gather as a noun? Sewing, consisting of small folds or puckers made by pulling tight a thread in a line of stitching. The act of gathering something. As a verb, assemble or get together. Conclude from evidence. Draw together into folds or puckers. Draw and bring closer. Look for food in nature. Examples of use. I gather you have not done your homework. She gathered her shawl around her shoulders. Our ancestors gathered nuts in the fall. Gather is spelled G-A-T-H-E-R. Gather.